I tell you what we opened. All right. We got 4 boxes. Maybe don't open them all today, but we are gonna kind of speed through these packs. We all know the commons, we all know the uncommons. So let's see if we get any chase cards. Oops. Box 1. All right. Let's pray for some showcases. Ball by. All right, so we're just taking hyperspaces, rares, legendaries, and hyper foils. There we go. We're doing these quick. Well, quick as I can do it. All right. Hyperspace. I can set those aside. These are pretty tokens. Hyperspace. Ooh, that's a pretty jetpack. I really like the laser effects on all the hollows. It's very pretty to me. How should I separate these? We'll go foil, hyperspace, rares, I guess. And then special stuff to be on this side. I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go. On. Ooh. God dang it. I was really hoping that was a Poe. You go here, you go here. Yeah, I've been on the search for them Poes, man. For a playset, not even to sell them or anything. It just so happens that Sarah has the monopoly on red heroism since she plays Sabine. Oh, a Maul. Ooh. Krogan Gore. The holographic guy, huh? Or sorry, a foil. Cad Bane. Django, what are you doing, man? Death Mark, Hyperspace. Hyperspace Pre-Vizsla. Oh! That's not a bad pack. This card, and limited, has been really strong. Attach to a non-evil unit. Attached unit gains on attack when defeated. Give an experience token to another friendly unit. Could be good in, I don't know, maybe it's too slow for aggro. Like you'd rather just play another unit. Maybe anything that has... No, not good on Ray. I don't know. I'm sure it'll go on a deck list sometime. Pre-Vizsla, a little too expensive. Made for constructed. Oh, Hyperspace Finn. Oh, shut up. Foil Finalizer. Holy crap. That's pretty. Take a look. Yeah, man. Those colors look really good. I need like blaster effects under, I guess, a sun in this one. Yeah. Looking pretty good. And gets a sleeve. Honestly, I'll probably end up putting this in a deck, so I think it's a double sleeve for now. Boop. So anything of note? Well, Molesworth. Vizsla, I don't know. You want to put it in a sleeve though, just because it's pretty. And for anyone who gets on my case about handling these without gloves or anything, I did just thoroughly wash my hands. So, please forgive him touching the card, but my hands are clean. Spark of Hope, that's pretty. Swoop down. Armor. Ooh. So let's see, so far. Pretty tokens. You know what's funny is I never actually used these tokens in game. I have dice and like shield markers. Because sometimes it's hard to differentiate what the token is from afar. But yeah, my eyes are getting old. Well, I guess we'll put the good stuff down here. The real good stuff. Pre-Vizsla, maybe not that good, but it is a hyperspace. Hyperspace Ray. Cool. Pike Sentinel. I feel like a lot of hyperspaces of that. Coruscant Dissident. I have many, many of these. I guess 2-2 for 1 isn't bad. I think that's a sideboard card, if anything. Just kind of like make an opening where, it's anti-aggro. But the problem here is you have to have a force unit out to actually kill something. So maybe, yeah, Grogu, Grogu's still low cost. Is he the lowest costed force unit? I think it might be. Oh, Legendary Dryden Boss. Cool. Dryden Boss doesn't seem to go for so much at the moment. So Dryden Boss shielded. Use a captured card. I guess there's that Jabba the Hutt combo. Where you capture, then immediately defeat. Or immediately flip, capture, and then you can play Dryden to put an underplay under your control. Which is pretty fucking strong. And a 5/7 body, so it can be a huge momentum swing. Especially that late in the game. When they got something big and beautiful out for you to steal. Toro, Calican. Omega. Ba-ba, ba-ba. I am not going through these very fast, like I said I was. Han. Something shiny in the back there. Legal Authority. Ooh, that's super pretty. Holy shit. Hyperfoil. Yeah, that's super sick. Sleeve. See how much play that gets. Maybe in Tarkin Yellow. That new space list that everyone's been about. Kylo Ren. His card is so goofy to me. It's Ruthless Assassin. It looks like they just photoshopped a weird hand on it. And they just got a dude in the studio. They're like, hey, hold this gun and just point it. The latest intern is their new artist reference. All right. Coscarees. I wonder how that synergizes with Bo-Katan Darksaber lists with her being upgraded and dealing damage on attack. I don't know. Guess we'll see. Hot Shot Deal, 44 Blaster. Frozen and Carbonite. Ooh. I'm more excited about this than the, the Blaster. Look at that. I need to put this in the right area of the camera. I'm like over here. Super pretty. Ba-ba. So the reason I double sleeve these is most of the time I do max rarity in my decks. I know it's not exactly the best thing to do, especially with cards that could get damaged, but I like making my decks pretty. Sandy Blood. Another effective card in any Triple Dark Raid lists. Just being able to exhaust something on play and on attack can be a huge thing. Put off that pesky big old boy for a turn. And you can... Oh, it's not leader unit. Never mind. I'll just say you can tap Boba, but that just ain't true. Look at that hyperfoil. These are beautiful. Schön, as they say in German, which I've been studying for a trip to Austria that I never took. One day. Bosk. Santin. Previsal again. Oh my fucking god. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Whew. Oh, that's shiny. Is there? Sarah. Sarah. Hyperfoil Podameron. I think it's the most expensive.
Card out there?
Yeah, well, in set 2.
Besides Showcase?
Yeah, besides showcases, yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy
Right?
shit.
That might go in a fucking hard sleeve. I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, though. Finally, a Poe.
If it wasn't pulling them, then you get the best.
Yeah, holy shit. You got a hollow finalizer. Legendaries haven't been bad. Another token. McClunky. Katsu Onyo. Another sideboard card there to steal some upgrades. Which actually might be better than Confiscate in certain matchups. You just take the Entrenched and throw it on something else while they're your units. Maz, what are you doing? Vigilant Pursuit Craft. Cassian, Forlom. Triple Dark Raid. It's my favorite. God, look at that. All that in hyperspace so bad. Hyperfoil. You know, those lasers look sick. Fucking sick, bro. Actually, listen. Hyperspace Cad Bane. Brutal Traditions. Migs. Ooh, double rare pack. That's good. Got a Migs and a Bazine, which fits perfectly into cutting Boba. I certainly don't mind that. And I can build a double red Kylo if I have enough Migs Mayfield. I just need the Taya Silencers and I should be good. Hyperspace Boba. Ruthless Assassin, still the goofiest card. Here, you can see the art better in this one. It looks a little dopey. Tarful. McClunky. I really want to make a Chewie. A Wookiee deck. I tried to build one, Cunning Vigilance, and it did not go so hot. Because Chewie comes out so late. So, maybe Rey. There's just not enough Wookiees in other colors. I think that the only Wookiees are blue or Cunning and Vigilance. Another legendary. Second chance. Foil commission. Desperate Attack. Hyperspace. Hyperspace Rose Tico. And a Kylo Ren. That's a pretty good box. That's a pretty good box. Holy shit. Right? What's the average rate of legendaries? I guess it is like 4. So we got Dryden, Second Chance, Finalizer, Kylo, Hyper, Foil, Poe. It's pretty good. And then Maul, and Maul's good. Pre-Vizsla, I just put him in sleep because I like to preserve him. That ain't bad. Let's keep it going. Bum, 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 bum. Let's make some more space. Make sure that's on camera. Bum, 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 bum. Ba, 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 bum. Hyperspaces so far. I'm trying to get a proper. There we go. You know what? Maybe we put Poe right in the top there. Yeah, yeah. You go here, here, here. Rares. And bulk. Bulk goes right back in. Cool. All right. Box number 2. I'll just take them out of the stack. Or better yet, we put all these suckers over here. All right, box 2. Cool, Valiant Assault Ship. DL-44. Little foil punishing one. Jumpmaster 3000 for anyone who plays X-Wing. Kira. Chain Code Collector. Foil. Omega. Daring Raid. Hyperspace. Go. Bo-Katan. Oh, wrong pile. Little pretty token. A new adventure. Yeah, yeah. Hypergar. Hyper Moisture Farmer. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Love me some Moisture Farmer. Previsla, I swear to God. Ooh, look at that Cargo Juggernaut. That's pretty. That's a pretty one, huh? So Purdy gets a sleeve. Moisture Farmer's carried me in limited this set so far. Either playing Ray or actually just mostly playing Ray. Be able to buff it up. Fennec, what are you doing? Da-da. Koska Reeves. Let's do a double check. Cad Bane. Thank fucking God. I did not want to buy singles for Poe Dameron. I can't imagine how much they are right now. He'll be going straight into the deck, so he goes straight into a sleeve. Xanadu Blood. I gotta triple check myself. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Triple Dark Raid, baby. And 2 Triple Dark Raid decks at this point. Yeah, there's that Palp list, or Tarkin list for Triple Dark Raid. Green Cunning with a Lurking TIE Phantom. That seems really strong. There's also a Boba variation that's red. That's super aggro. Evidence of the Cram. Rivals Fall, Hollow. Never gonna stop calling it Hollow instead of foil. Hey, it's the first Jabba I've seen in a while. Sorry, I saw it and had to look at it. Val, what are you doing? Alright. Black Sun Starfighter. If it was a 3/2 Imperial Taunter, well, let me correct that. It does synergize with Underworld pretty well. It's an early Underworld unit and will block air, or block space. But I really wish there was a Sentinel for Imperial in space. I find that's where all of my ramp decks get beat down. Endless Legions. Hey. I'm gonna make a deck work with Endless Legions. I swear to God. One of these days. I'm gonna let her rip. Reorg. Boop. Hyperspace Hound. Hyperspace, look the other way. Case and Ander. foil. Hylabon. Is a Hylabon Enforcer? I think so. Dr. Evazan. Surely going to patch some holes. And double cutting Boba, aka a Viper Probe Droid that tends to die very quickly in the mirror matchup to a crafty smuggler. It's happened to me every time. A rough time. Housecast Soldier. Let's do this. Hey, legendary. And a Hollow Wrecker. Look at that. Ooh. Not a bad pull. Rule of respect, it kind of feels bad to... Okay, so one card captures everything that attacked your base that turn. So unless it's a leader, there's a high chance it's going to get removed. If not by spells or events, then by straight raw dogging him, attacking straight into his face. But you know, he should be able to sustain more attacks, he or she, just because they're a leader and they typically have more health than units of their same flip turn cost. But you have to let them all attack your base, so you can't mitigate any of it. You really have to bank on them not destroying the unit that captured everything. Or else you just wasted precious life and actions. And cards. Mandalorian Armor, Deathmark. Ooh, Hyperspace Mystic Reflection. Provoke Resolve. Cool. Just gets its hyperspace. Put it in this pretty little sleeve. Yeah. Alright, we got 8 more packs. Gray Squadron Y-Wing. Long Pike. Hey, another hollow Kragan Gore Long Pike. Ooh, Hyperspace Bow. Hyperspace Timely Intervention. What I think is a very strong card this set. Hey, another Maul. And a Hyper Foil Evidence of the Crime. Pretty card. And again, definitely a good sideboard card. Maybe I should put these. Yeah. Might as well. Put the Mauls inside sleeves. One more. Hey, legendary. And another Bazine. Shit. We're hitting pretty hot on the legendaries in these 2 boxes. 2 Pose. Final Showdown. It's like my 7th copy, but I actually pulled one in draft tonight. use some of this. Bring some of this up. Gotta get that Poe on top. Whew. Love that Poe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Inspiring mentor. Great hyperspace token. I have so many of these. Oh, this is a super pretty card. Look at that. Oh man, what are you doing? Quit farting around up in that levitating cage. Come on down now. He was putzing around. Oh, what am I doing? That doesn't need it. Oops. Django. Which bounties were better? Feels like any card that relies on bounty is unreliable in itself because bounties are not that reliable. Legal authority. Liberated slaves. Hyperspace crosshair. Boop. Swoop down. Coruscant distant. Alright, and this goes into its box for bulk. Alright. Now we got 2 more boxes that we'll save for tomorrow. Getting late. I gotta organize these suckers. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my joy of opening packs. And if I play locally, you'll see where I got the cards from. Especially this fella. It's a pretty boy. All right, everyone. Good night.